Right, hey guys, welcome back to the MonDrew video, and today we are here with the BMW M2. So this is my good friend Henry Price's car. She's let us borrow it for a couple of minutes and take it out. So yeah, thumbs up for him. So what we've actually been doing today is we've been at Castle Combe and we've done the track day. And Henry's taking this out all day. He's taking it to London after this. So he's done a full day of track and now he's going out after to go.
You fucking ruined it!
A fucking perfect video!
What are you doing?
I said he's doing a video. As I was saying, Henry's taking us to London afterwards, so he's got all his luggage in the back and he's taking us all out on the track. So yeah, basically it's a track car and it's a car for everyday use. So let's get into it, let's get into the review. So basically what differentiates this from the normal 2 Series is the main side and the grille and the body kit of it. So as you can see, it's got massive fenders on the side, much different to the normal 2 Series. It's also got a wider track, as you can see from the side, and also a larger intake for the air. So it's got 2-inch coolers on either side and one in the central area. So it looks really mean, really aggressive. And I think the colour actually looks amazing, especially on this car. The grey, perfect. It's also got the LED headlights, which look amazing. Halogen bulbs, look really, really good. Nighttime especially. As well. Come around to the side. So you've got 19-inch alloy wheels. So these are the standard 19-inch alloy wheels, and the stock brakes and stock discs. So these are actually 235 19-inch, and they're really good. So these been out on track on these all day. They've had a slight bit of fade towards the end of the day, but basically they've lasted the whole day without any problems, and they're really, really good and really good for braking. Moving on to the side, got a nice bit of M2 badge on the side here. Nice white body kit here. And on the back, we have slightly larger tyres. These are actually 265 by 19, and they're slightly smaller discs, but again they've also got pack a punch in the braking. So yeah, moving around to the side. So an optional extra that was fitted to this car was the performance exhaust. So we'll have a little clip of it starting up in a minute, but it sounds amazing, really, really loud, and it pops a lot. It sounds perfect. A lot louder than I expect from a BMW. They're normally pretty quiet. Anyway, pretty nice. It's got a nice splitter at the very bottom, and a nice M Performance logo at the very bottom on the exhaust. As you can see, get a nice little zoom in on there. Now I'll open up the boot. Now as you can see, he wasn't joking, done a whole track day, and he's got loads of luggage in the boot, as you can see. So I don't know if there's a spare wheel in there today. We're not going to even have a look at that. Cool. And there's also a nice little lip around the top. Looks really nice. Nice little lip. And a nice M2 badge on the back there. And what's really good is that it looks quite track ready because it's got these side points here, which are normally reflectors and normally points where you normally have the race car, where it's used for fog and mist. So yeah, let's get on to the interior. Right, come on, look at this interior. So inside you've got the leather seats. This one's also got fitted with the automatic chairs, as you can see with the buttons. Really, really cool. We'll set Henry's car all the way back. Yeah. So sit in. So what you've got all the way around the car is nice carbon points all the way around the centre. Centre on the door handle, Alcantara on the side. Henry's also got Harman Kardon as well. It's nice. So this is a DCT gearbox with the paddles. The exhaust is a lot better with the DCT rather than the manual because it's a lot louder and you get the pops and bangs on upshift and downshift. There's also a really cool button if you want to have a look in the centre. Just here, and you press that, it goes into track mode on the exhaust. As you can see there, you just give that a little press and it turns it into track mode. It's really cool. You also got the centre, a nice big screen, and you've also got a lot of buttons and a nice little black piano look to it, and some more carbon fibre on the side, and also you get a nice little leather patch down here, a nice metal kick plates. But yeah, there's a steering wheel. So we'll do a little start up of the car and a little quick drive. Alright, so moving on to the engine. This is the 3-litre twin-scroll 6-cylinder engine from the BMW M2. It's got 343 pound-foot of torque with 365 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds with DCT, and generally it's a pretty good engine. It's got actual heat sinks for the halogen headlights, which is not very normal. So as you can see down here, halogen, so these are the heat sinks. You also got more stable crossbars for rigidity, and you've also got a big cover, so it's kind of difficult to see the 6 cylinders, but it's there somewhere. Alright, so that was a quick walk around today, a little bit short, a little bit quick. Next time we'll do a proper review, but today's just a quick look around, a quick update on some of the cars that we have come in onto the channel. Really nice car from Henry, so thanks Henry. Give it a like if you liked it, subscribe, comment on what you liked about it, whether you like the M2, whether you want to see something else. Let us know, we'll try and do it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, see you all later. Boom!
I know something else.